Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video. Today, you remembered I made a video about the Ring Video Doorbell and about how I did not show you about the setup processing and also the installation of it, fixing it up to the gate, and also showing you how it works and how it actually shows you the video content on it as well, perhaps, and how very good the camera is good as well. But now I have it on the gate for a while. So I had it on the gate for about, when I first got it. It's very good. It's very good, since I used it for without using not any Wi-Fi boosters or nothing like that. I know it was because I'm in a very small house, and the Wi-Fi signal from over there to out that door is actually is a bit very weak, so the doorbell has been a little bit lagging, a bit slowing down a bit of signal. So I have actually tried. So I have sourced myself a Wi-Fi booster from this company called Netgear. They got a good 4-star review, and they're good people, and got this from Amazon, and they're a very good company, and Netgear is a good company as well. And also so I'm going to show you where I put the Wi-Fi booster. It'll be right over there. And I'm back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a review video of this Wi-Fi booster from Netgear, and just to talk to you about how easy to set up, easy to program, and all you gotta do if you're running with Sky or any kind of broadband, or BT, or any kind of any company you're on with, and yeah, so, and it's just easy to set up, and just that's it. Yeah, so it's very good as well. So it's just set up in my kitchen, just because I put it right up to the kitchen, and yeah, so it's actually very easy to set up, and it's plug and play, and it was just all you gotta do is just read the menu, and then just instructions, and then just follow the switches on the back, on the side here. There's triangles there to set it up, and how that, see the green lights on the top. One of them is for the connector underneath the bottom of there as well. Okay, and it was it's just, yeah. So it actually gives you. I just make sure it wasn't So it should give you 24/7 24/7 Wi-Fi, and it's very good on Wi-Fi signal, to give you a boosted signal, perhaps, so 24 hertz, 2.4 hertz, and it's very good as well. Okay, I'm going to show you the actual product now as well. So I'm going to pause this and I'll come back to it now. So here we go. Here it is. It's actually on the wall now. It's actually starting to send out signal to the actual wall, to this wall here, because the Ring doorbell's right behind this wall, out to the gate. So it's that antenna sending the signal to that wall there, to give it a good signal. I could move it a bit that way, perhaps, to give it a bit more signal, perhaps, There you go. Just make it a bit more better. So, okay, all right. And that's it. I'll come back to now, and then I'll show you how good it is out here as well. I'll show you where the Ring doorbell is. Okay. I'll show you now the Ring Video Doorbell is out here now. So is this what you have to do for the first time? You just press the Ring doorbell on here. You press this button, and it will go off like this. So press this button. Here we go. Okay. sometimes it's a bit lagging, sometimes I don't know why, but well, here it is. And it was easy to install, and you just have to screw it down with those screws in the bottom there, and make sure it's very tight as well, not very tight, you know, and make sure it's very sealed on the back, so it's actually not getting any water in it at all. You know, it's actually waterproof, but you know, okay. Has a 1080p camera as well, and then you know, it's got motion detected as well. So now I'm going to test the button to show you how it works. So here we go. Press this button, so it should make a tone. I remember telling you about that. And there it is. I'm going to press this, and now you can. And now I'm going to show you me looking at my iPad. There you go. See that? That's a very good quality picture as well. So I say, hi everyone. See if I'm waving my hands. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? It's very good, isn't it? Eh? So that's it then. So I'm gonna end this now. So okay, that's me. So looks very good, isn't it? So it was easy to install, and now I'm gonna take it back. And now we're back in the house, and now that's how good it is as well. This Wi-Fi booster can actually help this that picture quality is good. I could have actually tested out to the sound quality. Sorry, I might go out there again actually to do another one, and I might actually put it into this video. Sorry, I won't do it again. So hang on, bear with me. So I'll be right back in a minute. So alright, hang on. I'll put this in this one. Alright, okay. So now you can hear me, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So it's very good, isn't it? Yeah. So it's actually got good sound quality. Alright. I'm going to show you how the microphone is good on it as well. Okay. Right. Do you hear me now? Okay, so the audio is very good on there as well. Yeah? So as you can pick up, the speakers are fantastic on here as well. Yeah. Okay, that's a good test on there, so it's good. Alright, okay, that's it then. Alright, okay. Bye. Okay, what did you think about that then? It was a great, wasn't it? So it was a great success, wasn't it? So alright, so so when you do like those shots, you know, when you do the test, you know, when you do so if this video helps you, so to keep safe, and also another video, so you have to buy a booster for that Ring doorbell if your walls are thick, or if you have thin walls, that would be very. If your Wi-Fi is strong, perhaps as well, if you have a Wi-Fi 6 or any Wi-Fi, anything like that, or Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 4 actually. But yeah, so if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon until you know when the next video drops. I'm George, and enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye.